Enabling two-factor authentication on your AliExpress account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the AliExpress website or app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Account Security. Click on it to access the security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enable it, which may include verifying your phone number or email. Step 5. Complete the setup. After enabling two-factor authentication, you may need to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email. Follow the instructions to complete the setup process. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your AliExpress account with two-factor authentication.